Hey y'all, today I'm gonna fix y'all a swamp stew. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a pot on the stove about medium high heat. We're gonna throw some bacon grease in there. When your bacon grease is hot, we're gonna cut up some smoked sausage and we're gonna throw it in the pot and brown it down. I'm using the Hunter Pork Center brand smoked sausage. They're out of Pikeville, North Carolina. It's worth the drive if you can make it up there. They got some good stuff. But throw your sausage in there and you're gonna brown that sausage good. When your sausage is brown like you like it, go ahead and dice up one Vidalia onion and throw it in there, and you're gonna cook those onions down until they're clear. When your onions are cooked clear like you like them, we're going to add in 2 cans of Glory brand collards. Next we're going to add 2 cans of Margaret Holmes or Glory brand seasoned black-eyed peas. When you got that all stirred together, add in 2 cans of navy beans. And next you're going to throw in 1 can of rotel. Once that's all stirred in there, go ahead and pour in 1.5 cups of chicken broth. When your pot's coming up to a simmer, add your 1 big heaping spoon of Ann's chicken base. Now season it to how you like it. I didn't add any salt or pepper because of the seasoned collards and black-eyed peas. Just add Ann's chicken base. But let it simmer for a minute. Cut the pot to low, put the lid on it, and let it go for about an hour or so. Alright, so let's fix our plates. We got a nice bed of rice right here. And we're going to go ahead and add our swamp stew on top of that rice. I'm telling you, this is some good stuff, y'all. I'm going to throw a couple fried pork chops right here on this plate too, y'all. I'm telling you, we're going to eat good tonight. And we're going to top this plate off with a couple pieces of fried cornbread. Thank y'all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.